friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel where I, Paige, am on a road trip and going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So today I'm sitting in a car at a very Floridian gas station. There are orange stands everywhere, a ton of wind chimes, a sign for free orange juice and Georgia pecans. And I wanted to take a second to talk about enjoying our scenery. No matter where we are, no matter where we're traveling to, whether it's on your daily walk while you're walking your dog or taking your kids to school, we all take in different sights and sounds. And I just kind of wanted to talk a minute about being present. Looking around, smelling the smells, seeing the sights, and taking note of them. I think it can help us a lot as writers to take a second, look around at our scenery, and think about how we can incorporate some of these details into our writing. Remember that inspiration can be found anywhere, and who knows what stories are waiting for us just around the corner. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and we will see you next time. Bye, everyone!